language, it is called Seiri. Seiri means sort. Sort means organize. Once you organize, once you sort, you can move on to the next years, which is Seitan. Seitan means keep it in an order, orderliness. Keep it in an order. You see, in Kaizen also, when you keep it in a particular order, your productivity improved, your efficiency improved, right? So that is the advantage of Seitan. And then Shisho. Shisho means cleanliness. You have to need you keep your workplace neat, clean, and in a ready-to-use condition. And then Shaikitsu. Shaikitsu means standardize. What is standardize? Every day, your people should follow the first 3 years. That is called 4th years. Then move on to the 5th years, Sitsuke. This is otherwise called sustain. Can you make your people continue all the 4 years over longer period of time, over years, over centuries? If you make your company, people in the company practice, that is called Sitsuke, right? So sustain means the benefits of the 5 years will be sustained over a longer period of time. So you don't want to play the game, 5 years game? We skip this? Shall we skip? I see all the students are male participants only. Am I correct? All are, or are there any girl students here? Any girl students as part of the program? Then why do you show feel a lot of shyness unnecessarily? No girl is watching you, only your friends are watching. Then why do the shyness? See, every quality in you should become your strength. The quality in you should not allow it to become a weakness. If you are shy, you don't speak, move easily with the people, then you should use it as your strength. But I see most of the time you are using every character of you as a weakness. Okay, shall we skip the game? I won't be coming back to the same slide. Shall I skip it? Okay, so I skip all these things. So we're not going to do any activity. We're not going to do any playing. So there will be only reading. So it's a simple organizational strategy that can transform your business. You missed a wonderful game, wonderful learning experience you missed. So 5S is improving efficiency, improving competitiveness, and it is mandatory for survival of your company. You see how factory is neatly maintained, right? Color coding, and there are a lot of things you can see in the background. So 5 years is a system of visual management. Do you see how effectively they manage every storage area is numbered, and then it's a visual management. It is initially developed at Toyota in the 1950. 5S is a foundational method of lean manufacturing, and it revolutionized the way industries conduct production. See here the assembly line. Do you see the cars moving here? Cars are moving, under the crane. It moves. It's an assembly line. Implementing a good 5S will systematically remove unnecessary steps and unnecessary equipment from the production process. It improves workflow. No stoppages, no accidents, no waiting, no unnecessary transportation. So workflow will be very smooth. Implementing a good 5S will establish better working condition. People will be motivated to work in your company because the environment is looking great. They will invite their friends, they will invite their colleague to come to your factory, and then you get new business out of it. And people will be, willingly joining your company as employees. All these things will happen if you implement 5S. 5S, if implemented correctly and followed diligently, it will lead to lower cost, better quality, and improved safety, right? It will increase the productivity and also improve the employee satisfaction. So what are the five S's, five pillars? First S is sort. In Japanese language, they call it shiri. Second S is set in order. In Japanese language, it is called shiton. And third S is shine. In Japanese language, it is called as shisho. And fourth S, standardize. That means sekitshu. Then fifth S, sustain. That means shitsuke. You really don't have to bother about the Japanese language, because that's not the goal. You must remember the meaning. Sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain. Sorting means you must remove unnecessary items. You must remove unnecessary items not needed for production. Oneness will get rid of problems such as tools and materials impeding the workflow. It will eliminate the wasted time looking for parts. People don't have to search, right? And tools and products. Stocks piling unnecessary and creating expensive inventory can be avoided if you implement oneness. Safety hazards will also get eliminated. If you dump material, then somebody will fall on it. The machinery can get disturbed, and all these safety hazards resulting from clutter can be avoided. Your goal is to eliminate all the unnecessary tools and materials and create a space free of clutter. Sort allows for a workflow free from distraction. If you do not use an item daily, throw it out. When executing the sort step, you must be vigilant, and then you must be ruthless. Fiverr has an effective tool called the red tag. You can use the red tag if you are in doubt about a material. You don't know whether the item is required or not. You are confused. Use the tool red tag, right? So on the red tag, you can indicate the actions to be taken, like where the item should be kept, and where to relocate the item, and whether the item should be disposed or whether the item should be recycled, and such instruction will be there. Sort calls for full assessment of materials, and after the sort, we keep items which are essential to complete the task. To start with, we must first identify the item, then remove the unnecessary items, right? Whenever there is a doubt, we put a tag like this, red tag. And then once the red tag is put, then within 30 days, we will try to figure out whether item should be retained or should be removed, right? That's the purpose of red tagging. Once you have an idea of how often a tool is used, you can decide whether you must retain the item or you must throw the item. And for all the red tagged item, a separate place can be allotted, and that is called as red tag holding area. And items in the red tag holding area must be cleared within 30 days. And this decision on 30 days is generally arrived by a cross-functional team. Once the sort is complete, your workplace is free of unnecessary clutter and will immediately see improved productivity. Set in order. You see how items are arranged. Certain items are, all the items are outside the yellow line, so that the walking area is very clear, and machineries are located, inventories are located, everything, arranged neat and clean, and with ultimate, with the required amount of care. Set in order, organize the item that survived sort in a way that makes the task easier to complete. And see here, you can arrange the items properly in certain order. And Fiverr doesn't mean you have to invest a lot. Even smaller way, you can implement all the Fiverrs according to the resource availability. This is also a Fiverr. If you arrange items in this manner, you can easily store, you can easily retrieve. All these things can happen. You can store items like using this kind of shadow board and tool outlining. And these will make the things very clear. See here, creating a shadow board, and this is tool outlining, and then you see like this kind of foam boards with the tool outlining done, and within the rack tool outlining is done. So these kind of improvements can be done. And 5S is a visual management. Different colors indicate the different amount of stock that is available. If you get your bin coming up to the gray color, that means your inventory is excess. If your bin is up to the green color, your inventory is planned quantity. If it comes up to the yellow color, that means you must immediately order the item. If it is in the red color, then it is critical. You really don't have to count how much item is there in your storage area. By looking at the color and the level of the bins, you can take decision. This is called visual management. Whether your equipment is functioning at the right level, whether the temperature, pressure settings are correct or not, you can create some visual system. Whether the files are arranged in a proper place, proper banner, or somebody changes the order of the files, and all that can be monitored just by adding a line diagonally. These are all visual indicators. So set in order. Set in order is we keep the item in a particular order. It enables the worker to perform more productively and without the frustration of not being able to find the tool they need. There won't be any unnecessary searching. Now the third yes is shining. Shining means we need to keep our workplace neat and clean. How we keep our bedroom neat and clean before going to the bed. How we keep our dining area before we go for the dining. Same way, we need to keep our workplace neat and clean before we go for the work. And even after we complete the work also, we must clean. There has to be a cleaning schedule. And cleaning schedule not only for the sanitizing department, but also we should have a cleaning slot ourselves. My table should be cleaned by me and your table should be cleaned by you. My laptop should be cleaned by me and your laptop should be cleaned by you. And this kind of culture is called a shine. See here, everybody is involved in cleaning. As I already told you, people believe only what they see. If you tell them, do this, they are not going to do. That is what we are seeing in the training program also. I've been telling many things and you're not doing anything. But probably when you see people, shining, those who follow certain important principles and philosophies, they will shine in life. After seeing that, you will start follow. But only thing is, you might have lost a considerable portion of your lifetime, right? So you need to awaken at the right time. You don't have to really, delay your growth. So 5S must be a culture that is followed from the CEO down to the apprentice. Clean all surfaces, floors, and tools in each area. When facilities are clean, employee work faster, employee work better, and have higher morale. That's it about 5S. Any questions on 5S?
No, sir.
That means you have understood fully.